I'm Dr. Aruna Prasad, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist, practicing at Pranav Skin and Cosmetology Clinic, Bangalore. Glowing skin in general, whether Diwali or no Diwali doesn't make a difference. But glowing skin to have healthy diet is very important. So probably lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, lots of water, more of juices, hydrate your skin, apply lots of moisturiser and maybe a sunscreen. And if it is already an oily skin, wash frequently. So it's like this, more oily, probably make it a bit dry, and more dry, make it more greasy. So that prevents a lot. And pollution free also. And I think diet is very important. If you have a dandruff or anything, wash your hair frequently. And night when you go to sleep, whenever you have a makeup on, make sure that you remove the makeup with a cleanser or something. And keep it as much as possible makeup free. And use a moisturizer, and that should be good enough. For more videos, please subscribe to Dr. Circle.